Well, as you can see here, well, you really can't see anything. It's been sounding for like a day and a half now. I'd say it's probably 2 feet, maybe more. I'll walk around out front here. Actually, I can't even. You see this giant snowbank right here? It's probably like 4 feet deep. I don't think I can even make it around that. Just trying to let the dog out to go to the bathroom, but the damn thing doesn't want to because it's so cold out and it's only a little dog, so I guess I'm gonna have to keep working on that. Take a walk out front here. Can't even open the gate. Jeez. Yeah. It's not too much to see out here. Tree's almost gone. I wonder how the quality will turn out here. I don't think you'll see as much as I do. The sun is good, but I mean you can see how ridiculous this is. You know. Alright, well, are you happy there, Bruce, or maybe not? I'm gonna go back inside now.